right, hello, 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 how are you? Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a comparison. So this is my regular glue stick, which is the Scotch. We're also going to be doing this one, which came from Blick Art. And we're going to be doing Oohoo, okay? So, in this order. I have some regular copy paper, some scrapbook paper, and some cardstock, okay? So let's go ahead and use the Blick first. Now I've been using this for a couple of days just to see if I like it, and it's not too bad. All right, so there's the Blick. Copy paper, scrapbook paper, and cardstock. Ooh. Okay, in fairness, I did not get any glue at the bottom here. There we go. Okay. Alrighty. So now we're going to try the Oohoo, which I have not used. I think I had some of this at one point. I don't think it did very well. Okay, but we're going to go ahead and put it on here anyway. Ugh. Right off the bat. Wow. Just wow. I don't know if you guys can see this, but that is not typically the way, and it's already bending the card. All right, well, we're going to go ahead and regular paper, scrapbook paper, and some cardstock. And we're going to use my favorite, the Scotch. Regular paper, scrapbook paper, and cardstock. All right, so those are all on there. I'm going to let them sit for a few minutes, and when I come back, we'll try them. And 2 minutes. Okay, so we're back. It's been 2 minutes. So here we are. We have the Blick, the Oohoo, and the Scotch. And I'm going to turn this over. And I want you to just look at that. You see that? See that? See that? You can actually see the paper warping. You can definitely see this. Okay? So let's take a look. So this is the Scotch. This is the one that I normally use. The paper is pulling up. It's curling. The cardstock is. The paper? No, the paper looks okay, and so does the... So it works good on regular paper. It works pretty good on the scrapbook paper, but the cardstock, not so much. The Oohoo. The thing with the Oohoo is I can feel the glue under there, and you can actually see it right here. There's like 2 bubbles of glue. It's not warping the paper. It's warping the scrapbook paper a little bit. There's a little warpage going on, but it's definitely warped the cardstock. Okay. And this is the Blick. I can't feel the glue underneath. I can't see the glue. It's not warped anywhere. And it's pretty well adhered. The Oohoo, yeah, no, that peels off. Scrapbook pretty much comes off. Oh, cardstock comes right off. Let's try the Scotch. Now that's well adhered. That's well adhered. And that one is. Okay, so, Oohoo, worst to the worst. That is the last of them. My own Scotch. In second place. First place is Blick. It sticks, it doesn't bubble, it doesn't warp the paper. And honestly, for the money, it's not bad. I think this is like $6. Scotch, it holds. It warps the cardstock. It doesn't warp the paper, but it warps the cardstock. And the Oohoo is just, wow. Wow. All the way around. It is a gooey, gummy mess. And I'll be honest with you, I paid the same amount of money for this as I did for this. Does that make sense? Yeah. I paid the same amount of money for this as I did for this. So I'm not, I'm not that overly pleased. So for me, for my money, ease of purchase, Scotch is the quickest and easiest one to find. But as far as cost, use, so on and so forth, I like the Blick. That's it. It's acid-free, washable. It's made in China. I like the Blick. That's it. That's all I have for you today. So if you're new here and you haven't done so already, hit the button for me and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends. Make sure that you check out the community tab here on the YouTube channel or scoot on over to the Facebook group. Until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye.